mukono ne pulezidenti w'eggwanga Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine eyalondebwa bannayuganda. Essuubi lya bannayuganda, omukulembeze w'abantu alina ekisembayo eky'abannayuganda. Baganda bange, mikwano gyange, nyongera obajjukiza n'obategeeza mu ssanyu ery'amaanyi nti era pulezidenti waffe asazeeko bannamukono, era bannamukono mwebale nnyo okujja mu bungi bwe muti okwaniriza His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine. Tuli basiimu nnyo era twongera obajjukiza nti tubeebaza nnyo emirimu gye mukola, tubeebaza nnyo okwagala Kyagulanyi, tubeebaza nnyo okubeerawo ku lwa pulezidenti, tubeebaza nnyo, tubeebaliza ddala. Aye twongera obbategeeza nti pulezidenti waffe yalondebwa bannayuganda Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine kakulembedde, tewali kigenda gaana, tewali kitagenda tambula nga kigenda mu maaso. Era twongera obajjukiza nti pulezidenti waali ne waatali, pulezidenti ng'atukulembeddemu, pulezidenti ng'atukumaakuma okutambulira wamu. Tuli basiimu nnyo. Baganda baffe, mikwano gyaffe abali erudda eyo emikono, mwebale kwagala Kyagulanyi mukwano, mwebale kumulaga kwagala. Okwagala okwo tusaba kutambule, okwagala okwo tusaba kuwangaale, ate tusaba kubeere kwa lubeerera. Tulina okukkiriza nti Mukama waffe waali, Mukama waffe ng'atukutteko, Mukama waffe ng'atukulembedde, Mukama waffe ng'azze okuba ekitangaala kyaffe eri struggle eno, eri okununula kuno tugenda kuba ab'enjawulo. Bannamukono, baganda baffe, mikwano gyaffe, mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala kwagala Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine. Mwebale kumulaga mukwano, mwebale kumulaga kwagala, ate era mwebale kubeerawo naye. Kikulu nnyo okuba nga mubeererawo omuntu ababeereddewo mu mbeera yonna, nammwe ne mutamulekerera ne mumubeererawo, ne tutambulira ddala bulungi.
Don't worry brother, we shall overcome. We shall overcome. You will be okay. Kasita tofunye injury. Kasita tafunye injury. The people of Mukono have refused. The people of Mukono have refused to be intimidated. And they are just ready more than ever before to be part of the change the world has ever dreamt for in Miss Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Of Mukono have refused to be intimidated. The people of Mukono have refused to be blocked from expressing themselves. The police has tormented them. Police has tormented them, but they refuse to back down because they want change. The Museveni police and army can't crack their resolve an inch to pull them back. They are determined to move forward to seek freedom together with comrade.
Freedom comes to those who fight, not to those who cry. Freedom tewasobola gikubeera ku ssowaani oba ku kusoose. We shall have to fight and take this freedom. Teri agenda kuwa ddembe lyo ng'alikuwadde bwe ate eddembe tebaliteeseza. Eddembe olitwala oba olisituka n'olirwanirira. Yes, bannayuganda mukiraba ekigenda mu maaso. Museveni is the master of violence. Era byonna byonna byakola kutigomya n'abantu baffe, kuconya abantu baffe, kutukuba tiyagaasi, kutukuba masasi, kutomera abantu baffe. Naye tetugenda kupowa. Teri kupowa paka nga Museveni tumugjeeko. Freedom must come to Uganda. We need to be free.
That is Father Nubian giving you the message of hope. Ending that interview with the phrase that freedom must come to Uganda. My brother Dennis Day, this is where the canister hit him. We hope he will be okay. We hope he will get fine soon. Look at the people running through bushes to be able to get to the rally venue. This is Mukono. The people of Mukono have refused to be intimidated, and the tear gas and the bullets can't crack their resolve even an inch, forcing them to back down. They won't back down. This is Mukono. Almost 10,000 people have been brought in the town. In fact, more than 10,000. But more than 10,000 are already at the venue, and others found their way to the venue. The police is determined to injure and kill Ugandans just in the bid to protect and defend Museveni's might. But Museveni's might seems to be crumbling, and Kyagulanyi is the main feature leading to the crumbling regime of President Museveni. The 34-year-old rule no longer has roots in Uganda. The entire Uganda has spoken. Western Uganda spoke on the launch of the manifesto. Northern Uganda, Eastern Uganda, now Central, Southeastern, and the islands of Uvuma and Kalangala will also one day speak in a loud voice that we want freedom. Just like Robert Kyagulanyi declared this election. It's not only about casting votes and electing the president. It's about a revolution to change the systematic tyrant and dictatorship that has eaten up Uganda's backbone over the past 40 years and send away Museveni and his fellows with the home. They picked guns and went to the bush and caused the death of very many Ugandans, coming into power as heroes, yet they are now heroines. Sorry, they are now villains. Thank you guys for keeping on Ghetto TV. Please support us. Brother Dan Magic.
Yes, man. Even amidst the violence administered on the people of Mukono, the people of Mukono still pursued through. They are just singing one word. They want their freedom. They can never be intimidated. Enough is enough of the dictatorship. We are crying for freedom.
That's my brother Dan Magic. Take a look at where we are headed. Take a look at where we are going. These are almost 50,000 people. By the looks of my eyes, someone can correct me. Take a look at where we are going. This is Mukono. Oh my God. This is the mighty of God. This is the power of God. No one can stop an idea whose revolution, whose time has come. And the idea now, whose time has come, is people power. Take a look at where we are coming from. Can you imagine? You just can't imagine. This is Uganda. Wherever you are, just know Uganda is having change for the first time in over 40 years. For the first time in over 40 years. This is Mukono. The final rally is gonna be addressed here. The police officer wanted to knock people, and now people are telling him, why should you knock people? This is Mukono. Ah, wait. This is Mukono saying that for us, it's a done deal. We are waiting for the day to cast our ballots and see what comes next. What comes next? This is Mukono. Mukono sending a message that Uganda is ripe for change. You can't block an idea whose time has come. Block an idea whose time has come. And here are the people of Mukono saying it is now or never. Wah, wah, wah. That's mine. The smile is killing the people. Wow, wow, wow. You just can't imagine what Uganda is going through. Uganda is ripe for change. That is our woman flag bearer. That is Honorable Wakaima Musoke Nsereko. Our flag bearer for Wakiso is here with us. This is our flag bearer for Wakiso Woman MP. And that is Honorable Wakaima Musoke Nsereko. We want to tell you that the world is ripe. The country is ripe for change. And nothing can reduce that momentum. This is unbelievable. Mukono has said it all. Wow, wow, wow. Mukono has said it all. You can't imagine. It's an idea whose time has come, and that is people power. Our woman MP for Wakiso and Wakaima Musoke Nsereko for Nansana municipality. You can't believe. This is the time. The time is now.
Yes. Let us observe the hostility of the president.
This is magnanimous. This is excruciating on the side of the government. This is excruciating on the side of the government. This is just unbelievable. You can't believe what the world is going through right now here in Mukono district, central region. Is saying for us what we are waiting for is the D-Day so that we cast our ballot and just believe the time is coming. This is great and very, very different than ever before. There is the stage on which the president is going to speak.
Bosiko ngageze tuliyambale ngule Bosiko ngageze tuliyambale ngule tulivimba mu Uganda wachikutemo tuliyambale ngule no mubandanga chikutemo tuliyambale ngule tulivimba mu Uganda. People power! Our power! Freedom!
to disperse the people, but at least the message has been sent. The police have decided to do this because they don't want Kyagulanyi to address these people. The president is in his car. This is what is happening here. The president is inside his car. Kama Katonda. The police has decided to block Kyagulanyi from addressing the people, but at least the people have already had addressed him. But the police, at least the people have already addressed him and told him, for us, we know what we want. Come January 14th, we shall be voting for the right side of this election.
Abantu b'Emukono
The police continues to shoot tear gas canisters into the people, but the people of Mukono have already spoken. They have already said it all. Although their leader have not spoken to them, they have already spoken themselves. That we know what you're going to tell us, we know what we want, and this is the day. It is just becoming notorious of the police to treat Ugandans in this manner. No rally of President Museveni or the NRM has ever been treated like this. No rally of President Museveni or his NRM sympathizers has ever been treated like this. Yet they hold massive rallies of people who are ferried and driven to different towns to show that they have support. But when people freely come to Kyagulanyi's rallies, They attacked them even at the rally and blocked them. Nasubuga Hadija, yes. I'll take fresh milk, I think, after here. Tomorrow, I mean in the night when I go back home, I'll try to buy some and take. The president is inside his car, and yes, the time is over. But of course, 3 minutes, they arrived here 10 minutes before. Those 10 minutes would have been used to send a message to the people, but the police has decided to take the 10 minutes while firing tear gas and dispersing these people. Our brothers Tegusurwa, Derek Nyeko of Machindie West are all here. He is standing in solidarity with their president. Derek Nyeko and my brother Innocent Tegusura of Nakawa, Councillor LC5. Derek Nyeko of Machindie West. They are all here. Such a happy rally dispersed just because the Museveni regime did not want to see Kyagulanyi speak to such a huge crowd. That was the stage supposed to be used, and now they are this place was filled with people, but they have been dispersed, and they are still there. You see them in the corners, hey, waving to their president. Nsaba twejjukanya mu mitima ffe Uganda era ne Uganda yaffe. We are the country, we are the future, we are the change we badly need. We are the youngest population in the world, we stand a chance. If we only come together, we can change our destiny. Bw'opima ku kye tuli otulaba, we tuli si, we tulina okuba. That's Father Nubian Lee giving us words of thank you, Namakula. The good Lord is always protecting us, and if He doesn't say you get problems, you never get them. It's only God that has the power. It's only God that has the power. Yeah. This entire place, like you can see, had been filled with people that had gathered, but police is still firing tear gas into the people. More than almost 30 police vehicles, all those of Kampala and Mukono and Jinja, have been deployed just on one rally. Reverend Peter Abakalwa Mukasa is the LC5 chairperson candidate for the National Unity Platform. Reverend Peter Abakalwa Mukasa, please, mumulabiranga ddala be Mukono. Reverend Peter Abakalwa Mukasa.
Bo benyini bajja kwerabisa kabakole ebikola eby'obutujju.
people have been injured so far today.
abeerabise bannayuganda ndowooza mukiraba tuli mu buwambe kwe kaseera nga bannayuganda tusituke tulwanirire eddembe lyaffe ate nga teri powa kwolwo olunaku tugenda kuba akalulu tusikalewo tukakuume Museveni tumugyeko naki nayo teri kupowa bano abasajja bajja kwerabisa bajja kukola bonna byonna byonna ebikolo ebyobutujju
abantu b'emukono ndowooza Museveni mumulabye obutiitiizi bwe abantu b'emukono ndowooza mulabye poliisi bwegenda mu maaso n'okweswaza abantu b'emukono ndowooza mulaba nti Museveni agenda batulemesezza bazzebazi b'amakubo ne batuuse wano bakubye abantu tiyagaasi tetuyise basa abantu 5 kakati kubanga essaawa zigenze ate bafubye otulemesa naye mwenna mulabye ekigenda mu maaso ate ekyokola mukimanyi mumanyi nti tuli mu buwambe essaawa zino naye Museveni njagala okutegeeza n'abasajja bo temusobola kututta ffenna ne mutumalawo sigenda kwogera bingi kubanga obudde buyise naye abaana b'emukono mukimanyi mwebereremu mufube mulabe nga buli omu alonda ate bwemumala okulonda temuvaawo mukuuma akalulu ate bakubanga mutiyagasi temudduka kuba naabo bafala abamukuba nabo balina amaaso ng'agaffe era nabo bennyini abo balagala n'olwensonga eyo sigenda genda wala nnyo njagala mbaleke mwenna mudde waka nga muli seefu mukume endagamuntu zammwe mufube mulabe nga buli omu alonda ku lunaku olw'okulonda bwe tulonda ne tukuuma akalulu Museveni talina kyatugamba musigale nga muli bagumu musigale nga mwagala eggwanga lyammwe musigale nga mwekiririzaamu ono Museveni yatuwamba emyaka gyonna atasiruwaza abantu ne kubanga ffe omugigi gwaffe gubuuse kati atutya abapoliisi n'abasirikale muswadde nnyo okukasuka tiyagasi n'okuba abantu amasasi abatalina mmundu ekyo kiraga butitiizi power mwebale nnyo mwebali eddala abakyali bange mwebale kubeera abagumu Kyagulanyi ki?
Still throwing tear gas canisters. They are now shooting them to us.
Pastor.
Look at the people. Take a look at the people.
Pastor. Kama mgeni paka wekupakinga ku ofisi. Vuga paka ku ofisi. Vuga paka ku ofisi.
Omunoonyereza w'eggwanga His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine bw'ati bw'alabise mu bitundu eby'omukono. Tubebaza nnyo bannamukono olw'okwewaayo ne mwaniriza pulezidenti waffe mu ssanyu mu kitiibwa bwe kityo eky'amaanyi eky'omuwendo era tuli basiimu nnyo bakama baffe. Mwebale kwagala nkyukakyuka, mwebale kwagala Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine era mwebale kubeerawo ku lwa pulezidenti w'eggwanga yalondebwa bannayuganda, essuubi lya bannayuganda era omukulembeze w'abantu Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine.